6 situations to use get. Number 1, understand. Example, teacher. I understood that. Similar, I got that. Ooh, teacher, this is in the past. Number 2, receive. Example, teacher. I received an expensive gift. Ooh. Similar, I got an expensive gift. Number 3, become. Ooh, teacher, become. Yes. So, example. He became, in the past, rich. Oh, teacher. So, he got rich. Number 4, buy. Example, teacher. Good. I bought a new car last year. Similar, I got a new car last year. Number 5, have. Oh, teacher, get, similar, have. Yes. So, example, do you have a car? Okay. Do you get a car? Or, if you speak fast, okay, you say, you got a car. Number 7, arrive. Example, teacher. I arrived home at 7. I got home at 7. So, guys, if you want more videos, just subscribe in the channel to help the teacher edit, and you can share this video with more friends to get some benefits. Okay, so don't forget the like for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will let just some questions in the description. Please answer these questions. I will give you feedback by myself. See you!